and welcome back. In this part of the tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a rectangle which you can move with your arrow keys on the keyboard. This is going to lay the foundation for the game that we would like to play. So basically what I have left here is the draw rectangle from the previous video. And I would like to start this rectangle from the center of the screen. And in order to do that, I'm going to define the self x, which is going to be an integer coming from the x divided by 2, and the self y, that is also going to be an integer that is divided by the y coordinate and 2. So now, if I would like, I can do this. So draw rectangle, self x, self y, and the color 11. This is going to draw the rectangle. But how do I get the controls from the keyboard? In order to do this, all we have to do is check if the Pyxel dot btnp, which is an abbreviation of button press, is the Pyxel dot key up. And this is all we need to do, is to define this up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, and right arrow. So down, left, right. And I also want to provide a way to quit this application gracefully. So key Q. This key Q is going to result in the call of Pyxel quit. This is how you can exit your application. In case of the key up, all I'm going to do is reassign the value of self x with the self x minus 1 modulo 256. If I want to go down, all I need, this is going to be the y coordinate. If I want to go down, I need to increase it. If I want to go left, I need to decrease the x coordinate. If I want to go right, I need to increase the x coordinate. And now, if everything is working properly, I should be able to run my game. But before that, we need to adjust our draw function with the self dot, because this is the function that we would like to call. So now you can see my window appearing, and if I press the left arrow key, I can see that this is happening. If I press the up arrow key, this is also happening. If I press the right arrow key, this is also happening. So basically, this is how you can move with your square. What I would also like to do is to add more functionality here. So this was all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching.